Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip we want to talk how we can detect the text from the image but in runtime, not predefined image. And we want to use the OpenCV plugin in Unity and use it for any function we want. Okay, let's do this. First, you need to have the OpenCV plugin and install it on your project. I already done. And in here you can use the example scenes of the OpenCV, the example, and in here contribute modules and text example. It has two different parts. First one, text, just the position of text examples, and in here text recognition example. So let's do it and we will see. That's it. In the first moment of app launch or scene launch, you will see the result. In here, if I'm clicking here, you will see better. Perfect. And this blue word is the result and this rectangle is the position of text. So as you can see, it is picking up and it is picking up, and also this month, yes. And as you can see, it is with different titles and different fonts. If we want to see where is this image, we can go to streaming assets and the folder of text. And here we have text. This is it. Okay. And if we want to add any other text in here, for example, I want to copy this name because the coding system works with this address, streaming assets folder text, and this file, this image with the specific name and a specific format, GPage. So I put it text, for example, 1, so it is not readable. Now I want to add my own image. With import assets from desktop and this image and the paste of name. So this is my image, Abulfaz Tanha Unity developer. Okay, and let's see. Perfect. Abulfaz Tanha Unity developer. So but it is the main structure of the text detection of OpenCV, but we want to change it to something better. So I want to make a scene from this scene because I don't want to ruin the example scene. I call it text detection. Okay. In here, I don't want to use the menu, so I hide it. And I want to create something else. In the UI legacy, I want to create a text and put it in the top left corner. And put it here, for example. That's fine. Okay, and do something like this. And I want to change the color to be better visible and bold. Now, final result. Okay, and then I want to come back here in the text recognition. There is another script. It's called touch controller. As you can see, if we hold our mouse, you can grab or rotate your cube. So it is not usable for us. So I want to disable this script. Okay, but I want to work on text recognition. I open it in my Visual Studio and then I want to add something new to the using Unity engine dot UI, and then public text final result. It's fine. There is a problem. Where is it? Do we have something here? Oh, maybe it's better to use text mesh if it has a problem with it. If I remove it, no. Okay. In here we copy this final result and come back to this guy. Oh, maybe I need to remove this Unity in UI. So our problems have been solved in here. And in the void run, we have something in here to demonstrate the result. As you can see, this part is for drawing the rectangle around of the position of word, and also in here you can see the output. This is the detected text of that word. So we can demonstrate it with console. Look at this, Abulfaz, Tanha, Unity, and in here Abulfaz, Tanha, Unity. Okay, but I want to create something else, and I say final result dot text plus equal output plus, and I want to create this guy to go to next line. Okay, now come back to the Unity, and I don't want to use this console, and also maybe other parts, whatever. Okay, come back to the Unity. Okay, so I need to remove this final result and create a text mesh because it didn't accept the Unity UI. I create a legacy text mesh in here, and because it is so pixelite, I want to make a trick to fix this problem. Make the font size 500 and then decrease the size. Oh, maybe it can be even a little bit bigger. Oh no. Yes. Okay, it's fine. Okay. And now I click on cube and drag and drop final result text mesh to the here. I call it final result. Okay. Perfect. Developer, Abulfaz, Tanha, Unity. Okay. But I don't want to use this mechanism just one time because it only works when the scene launches. After that, it doesn't work. So I want to change this mechanism. In here, after all of these preparation processes, you call function run. Okay, and I want to do something else. I want to change this void start to start process. Now it is not a global function like start, and we can call this start process anytime we want in this script or other scripts. Okay, now we can test it together to make sure. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't work. Perfect. Now I want to turn on my webcam because I want to use the screen of the webcam or and phone's camera or device camera and take a photo in per one moment or every moment. So I want to create a simple script in here and I call it for example, screenshot. Perfect. Okay, let's go to this script. We need to use the void update, and in here, for example, when we press button space input dot get key down key code dot space. Fine. Uh, doing the process of image capturing. First, we need to create a simple string variable. I call it folder path. And in here, I need to write the address of this streaming assets folder. So it is assets, streaming assets, and text. It has to be like this: assets, streaming assets, text. Okay, let's do it. Assets, streaming assets, and text, and in here. Okay, now I want to do something like if no system dot io dot dictionary directory that exists, and what folder doesn't exist? This folder. Let's to create system dot io dot directory dot create directory with this folder path. If we don't have any folder with this address, for example, a folder with streaming assets or folder with text name, let's to make it. And second part is, okay, what is the name of our screenshot? A screenshot name equal. I want to create something dynamic. So whatever we press, whenever we press space many times, it creates and generate new name for our screenshots. So I call it screenshots, the line, and plus system dot, for example, date time dot now dot to a string. Okay, something like this: dd mm yy y and hh ss. It is day, month, year, hour, minute, and second. And finally, we need to write our format, JPG. Oh, sorry, JPG. Now, with this system, we can generate our name with a variable. What is the variable? Our time. So because in here, if we press right now, it is then for example the name is 7 11 200 2022 12 4, for example 25. In the 1 second later, the name will be different. So it is a best solution for generating the new name for our files. Okay, come back to main function for screenshot. A screen capture capture screenshot, and in here we have two parameters, as you can see, file name and also the size of it. System.io.path.combine. What is the combine? Folder path, folder path, and also a screenshot name. Oh, in here it is folder. Sorry, folder. Excuse me. Okay. And also the size can be 2. Okay. And we can see the result. Debug.log. For example, folder path plus a screenshot name. Oh, sorry. A screenshot name. Okay. Let's see it works or not. Come back to the Unity. And I want to show it this way. I press space one time. Oh no, sorry, excuse me. I didn't attach this script to any object. So I attach this screenshot script to this guy, main camera, and then when I press the space, oh, we have a screenshot. The streaming assets in the text, I need to refresh to be able to see. Where is this guy? Maybe I need to go here. Assets, streaming assets, text, screenshot. Do we have something in here? Assets. Oh, we have asset. It is wrong. Look at this. It's probably create another folder. It's called asset. Streaming assets, text, and it's here. Yeah, sorry for my mistake. And so it is very useful for you to be aware. Don't make any mistake like small s. Perfect. Come back to the scene, and once again I press space, and now streaming assets, text, and refresh. We have a screenshot. Perfect, beautiful. It's the name screenshot 11/7/2022 It's fine. Okay, I remove it. Now we need to match this screenshot system to our text recognition system, because the text recognition works with this guy, image name, and the address of this image file is text folder in the streaming assets, and text underline text.jpg, this guy. Now I want to say Let's using uh, OpenCV for Unity examples first. And second part is public text recognition example text recognition. And finally we will say, okay, text recognition dot image name, we need to change this parameter to be able to read. I want to create something public string image name, and in here say image name equal a screenshot name. Okay, after we do it, because capturing an image and saving of it takes time, so we can't call this start process exactly after capturing an image. Okay, so we need to have a delay, for example 1 or 2 seconds after we need to call this function, and ensure this image has been saved completely. So we create another function in here, void call text to string, for example. I don't know, something like this. Call the start process. Whatever you want, you can call it. And text recognition dot start process. And we can call this function by invoke this guy after 1 second. Okay, let's see. For example, we have something, another cube in here, right? First, we need to drag and drop the text recognition to this variable. Now it works. And this another cube is here. It is a simple cube. I want to rotate it exactly in the right area, I suppose. And this is our cube. It doesn't have any script. I want to drag and drop my this guy. Yes. Drag and drop this. Oh, it can't be here. I want to drag and drop the image again. Something like this. Okay. And maybe increase the size. 7, 9, something like this. So we can understand it better. Okay. I want to test it and press space. Bravo! Oh no, it's tried to load that image. First, you need to know oh, I had a problem. I had a mistake in here. We need to change the name of the image file name to image name, because we need to read the name of that photo has been captured by Unity. So image name equal image name. Is it possible? Do you think we can say okay? It is not read only. Thank you. And now come back to the Unity and we'll go to the streaming assets in here and remove this guy. And once again, capture an image. Oh, it can't read it. It says something, please move OpenCV for streaming assets to the assets folder. Okay, I think I found the problem. It says the image name is equal file name, but the image name in our screenshot is just the name of image, not the address of it. But in here, image file name is address and the image name. So we need to copy this part and add it to here. Plus. Okay, let's come back to the Unity editor. And I press space. No, it works, but it can't detect the text, so it is another problem. So we can fix it easily. I put this cube here, right? But rotate this guy and put it here in front of the camera. Now I captured the image again. It works, but it's a little bit small. I want to do something cool. Increase this guy to do something like this. Anyway, let's stop this example and I put it here. Maybe I can remove. And then let's to add the OpenCV example. And for example, we can go to the main module DNN and I don't know, for example, this guy, mobile and net SSD webcam. We need just a webcam view and drag and drop this scene to the here and copy this code and remove without saving. Oh my god, it's so big. Okay, I want to put the camera here and 000 and the position in here. Okay, something like this. And text mesh at the final results can be here, but very big, for example, to be visible. 3, no, 5, 5, 5, something like here. Right. Let's test. Oh, the body object. It's come from my previous example, a DNN, and just a webcam. Oh, maybe it doesn't work. And add an empty object to here, to the quad, and here. Okay, something like this. Okay, I want to call one of my examples. For example, this guy. And I press space. Click on here. I press space. Perfect. Developer Abulfast Tanham. And in here, door manager, for example, manager door. Perfect. Now we can monitor these results to call any action we want. For example, in the text recognition, we can add, for example, using Unity engine.events, for example, and public string target text, and also public Unity event action. Okay, and in here, in this part, if target text that contains the output, okay, and if action is not null, action dot invoke. Perfect. Let's come back to the Unity, and for example, this is our function and this is our test. It is a cube, for example, in the position of this side, in the left and the right side of my screen. I make it bigger, something like this, but 0, 0, 0 rotation, and 105 and 18.5, 18.5, something smaller. Okay, and I say it is test object, and I added this test script. This test already has two functions, for example, change transform and reset transform. And you can call any function you want. For example, in this example, I use this one. And the target text, for example, if you see Unity or Unity with capital U or small u, call the test object function change transform. Okay. Look at this. I press space. It is manager door, right? But if I press space, oh, it couldn't recognize my complete word. Press space. Oh, with all of these are capital UNITY. I need to add it exactly UNIYITY, something like this instead of this guy. UNITY. Okay, all of them were capital, and I press space. Oh, once again. That's it. It works. Look at this. UNYTY. And my cube has been rotated by my function. So instead of this screen of the webcam, you can call any function for demonstrating the webcam view, and also you can make it by your own script. And also instead of this simple function for action, you can call whatever functions you want. And even you can say, if the target text not contain the output, call another function. You can add another function in here in other action, for example, and call it when it is not contains this guy, and call that function. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to be able to watch my other kinds of videos related to new technologies about AR, VR, and XR. And please like this video and make a comment for this video. Okay, have a great time. Bye bye.